Now let's continue to work on a very exciting topic, rational expressions. So let's multiply and simplify. But before we get started, I want to simplify, or rather just factor, these trinomials, as well as this binomial over here. So here we have x squared plus x minus 2. I'm going to open two sets of brackets, and I'm looking for two numbers that multiply to negative 2 and add up to positive 1. Those numbers will be plus 2, negative 1. Now let's factor x squared plus 5x plus 6. And that will factor into x plus 3 and x plus 2. Why is that? Because we were looking for two numbers that multiply to 6 and add it to 5. 3 and 2 work. Alright, what about x squared minus 9? That will simplify into x minus 3 and x plus 3, because that's a difference of two squares. And of course we just needed to take the square root of x squared, we put an x here, another x there, and take the square root of 9 to get 3, and get it negative 3 and a positive 3, negative 3 plus 3, and we're done. What about x squared minus 4x plus 3? That would simplify into x minus 3 and x minus 1, because we were looking again for two numbers that multiply to 3 and add up to negative 4. Great, now we can start canceling things out. We have a plus 2 here, x plus 2 here, which we can cancel with this x plus 2 down below. Now they're gone. X minus 1 and x minus 1. We can only cancel top and bottom, of course. And because we're multiplying top, top, bottom, bottom. So everything is going to just stay where it is. All these will remain on the numerator, and the bottom ones will stay on the denominator. Over here we also have x plus 3 and x plus 3. So those can cancel out as well. Then x minus 3 and x minus 3. And look at that, everything got cancelled out. So we're just left with 1. Because of course once things really cancel out, we're replacing them all for 1s. And of course 1 times 1 times 1 divided by all those 1s will be just 1. Then question number 4, let's do the same thing, let's factor. Starting with x squared plus 6x plus 5, we're looking for two numbers that multiply to 5 and add up to 6. So just 5 and 1. Down below, x squared plus x minus 20. We're looking for two numbers that multiply to negative 20 and add up to 1. And those will be 5 and negative 4. So here we have x plus 5 times x minus 4 times. Now the numerator here, x squared minus 4x, I can factor out an x. X squared divided by x is just x. Negative 4x divided by 4, negative 4. Down at the bottom here, we have x squared minus 6x minus 7. We're looking for two numbers that multiply to negative 7, add up to negative 6, negative 7 plus 1. Okay, now we can start canceling things out. The x plus 5s are going to go. X minus 4 up top, x minus 4 down at the bottom, they cancel out as well. The x plus 1s will cancel out, and then we're just left with x over x minus 7. And that's it.